Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about the configuration of the distribution channel. Okay, so what does this distribution channel mean? It is required to use SAP SD function. It means the distribution of goods and services to customers. So how do we consider the distribution channel? Domestic sale, domestic services, export services, etc. Why is it used? It is used for defining the responsibilities, carrying out the flexible price structuring, differentiating the sales statistics. This is very much important. Okay, and it can be assigned to multiple sales organization, and multiple distribution channels can be assigned to a single sales organization as well. Okay, so what is the technical name for this? The technical name is VTWEG. Okay, and the distribution channel configuration table is TVTW. If you observe here, you will find one key thing here. The first three alphabets of the technical name is nothing but the name of the table as well. So you just have to add the table, a T for table, TVTW, which will give you the configuration table name. And for the text table, it is TVTWT. And instead of going from the SPRO, you can also go to this configuration node directly with the help of this T code OVXI. In order to understand easily the enterprise structure, what I've done is I have just put everything, every detail here in the Excel. So here if you see, we have already configured the company code KKR1, and we have configured the different sales organizations. So these I have already made two different videos, so you can check the videos in the playlist and you can have a look if you have not gone through it. Okay, so next comes the distribution channel. So now what I'm trying to do for this is I'm trying to create three distribution channels: K1, K2, K3. K1 is domestic, K2 is export, and K3 is services. Okay, so just you need to mind map this so that you can understand how these are all relevant once we go for an assignment. So here what we're doing is we're all creating, or we are only configuring the distribution channels. Okay, in the next videos we will discuss how we need to assign these organizations to distribution channels and organizations to divisions, and then so on. Okay, so the for the configuration, SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure. In this definition, now we are talking about the module of SAP SD. So you then choose the sales and distribution. Then here, if you see here, this is the distribution channel node. Okay, then if you just execute it, you will have the another window open. Then double click on this, then you will see all these details. Okay, so these are the already existing ones you can see here, and if you click on new ones, so you can create the new distribution channels. Okay, like this, and then just save this and then capture it in the TR. So now how do we check the relevant table for this? Click on F1, then you'll see that there is a table which is given here, TVTW. Okay, now so let us see that table. So first let us understand the structure of it. TVTW. So it has only two fields, one is client and another one is the distribution channel. Okay, now let us see what are the different entries in it. So if you see here, when you run this in SE16N, you will be able to see all the relevant distribution channels here. See here, now I have configured K1, K2, K3. So if you see here, these are the three entries that I have done, and you will be able to see that in this table. Okay, so as an SAP consultant, you need to know which tables are storing these details, so that when you write any reports and all, you can use this information. Okay, so VTWEG is the technical name for the distribution channel. Okay, and similarly for the text table for this, so if you want to know the text of it, so TVTW, and you can give the language as EN, and then if you just execute this, it will show you all the texts of it. So here if you see again, for us whatever we have given, so you will be able to see the text details as well. So whenever again in the reports when you are referring to, you can refer this table, and with respect to these tables you can give the, with respect to this table you can give this technical name to fetch the relevant names of these distribution channels. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have learned anything new in this video, please do comment on my in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.